Installing PhonePad 5 server on your server or host PC is quite simple, as you will see from this tutorial. When you get to this part of the installation, please read the information on this screen. If you experience freezing or performance issues, it could be antivirus software that is causing this. The link at the top of this screen can be used to download and install the PhonePad 5 workstation software. You can also copy a link for the download to use on other workstations. Or you can send emails from this screen to other users so that they can download and install the PhonePad 5 workstation software. There is also information here about the default administrator account you use to log in to PhonePad once it's fully installed. Congratulations! You have successfully installed PhonePad 5 server. Now you will need to install the PhonePad 5 workstation software on each of your workstations.